One of the many features that I like about the box is that it easily integrates with Track. Now, Track is an online movie and television show tracking service that helps you basically organize everything. It's like having a library, a virtual library. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to tracks, trakt.tv, and you're going to want to join Tracks. Now, I'm already a member, so I'm just going to go straight into sign in. And once you get inside, the first thing you're going to need to do, now mine is already set up, but for you, you're going to have to create 2 lists. Now, creating a list are going to be very simple. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over here on the side. You're not going to have a picture like I do now unless you signed in with Facebook or Twitter. What you're going to have is an avatar there in your name. So you'll sign up first, putting in your email address, your username and password. You'll be taken to an inside screen that says welcome. From that point, you'll go in here and you're going to go down from your name and go all the way down to list. You're going to click on list. Now, this is real imperative because these are the lists that gets imported into your media player. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to add a list. So you're going to go right here to the add list button. You're going to click on add list, and you're going to name this list whatever TV shows. So my TV shows, and you're going to want to save that list. So my TV shows, and you can make it private, public, whatever, doesn't matter. I usually make mine public, so if anyone that I'm friends with online sees it, they know what shows I like. Allow comment, display my rank, and I save this list. So once I have a TV show list, I'm going to repeat the same process, and I'm going to do a movie list. So now I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to add a list. I'm just going to call that My Movies. And in your case, you can call it whatever your name is in movies like I've done on mine. I'm going to make this public again, allow comments, display my rank, and save this list. So you see that I have a My TV Show and a My Movie list. These are my lists up here that I've already set up, and these are my movies and TV shows that are already in there. So now I want to start adding shows to my list. So what I want to do is I want to go to my TV icon up here. When I click on the TV icon, the first thing it's going to do is going to bring up all the TV shows from the first page of everything that's trending. So I'm going to take those trending shows and I'm going to look through and see what shows I want. Now, I recommend that when you set this up, that you just set up 3 shows and 3 movies, just so you can have something to populate inside the service when you're doing it. So for most people, you're going to see a lot of shows you like on this first page. If not, you can go next. But just for sake of getting things set up, I'm going to walk through this. So what you want to do is you're going to primarily focus on these 2 areas, these blue lines and this green box. So, for example, if I wanted to add, let's say, The Walking Dead, I would click on add to the list. It's going to bring up all my lists. Since these are TV shows, I'm going to put this under my TV shows. So I click on my TV shows, and it's going to add that to my TV show list. And then when that gets updated, I immediately want to turn around and I want to add that collection. So I'm going to close out this box. I will go under the collection, and well, I already have it added. So, but you want to add it too. So you want to add things to your collection and add it to your list. So since I already have that, the next thing, let's say I wanted to do dark matter. Again, I would click on the button and I would add it to my TV shows. Once it gets added, you can also add it to your collection, and add to your collection right now, meaning I want all the information on all of the back shows that they have. So Walking Dead was already one of my things. That's why the collection was already there. When it's there, you'll see you collected 15 episodes of dark matter or whatever it is. So once you have that done, you're going to do the same thing with movies. You're going to click on movies. It's going to bring up the trending movies. Now, the interesting thing is that it brings up movies that aren't out yet also. This does not give you the streams to movies. This just gives you the library data. So from here, if I wanted to add Tarzan to my list, I would just click on, and it's listed on one list already, but I would click on that and I would just add it to my movies. It's already under Carlos's movies, but I would add it to my, the movies, and then I would add it to the collection, right now. Now, obviously, it's already in the collection. Finding Dory, same thing. You would go down, add it to your movie list, and then when do you want to add the collection? Right now. And in doing that, you actually have now 2 lists that you're going to be able to sync on your media center that will pull the data in. So it'll help you keep track of everything and your ratings, and just everything that you personally like. So it makes it a more customizable experience for you. So that's how simple it is to use tracks with the Pyro Media Center. And we really hope that you decide to like it. We're doing a free upgrade allowing you to become a VIP member when you make your purchase. Just let us know that that's something you're interested in and we'll cover your costs. So this is tracks and how to install it. After we set up our online tracks account, now we'll need to sync everything to the box. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to Settings, Add-ons, My Add-ons, Program Add-ons, and then down to Tracks. When you get down to Tracks, you're going to hit OK and then Configure. You're going to go over to the right, and where it says how do I authorize track add-on to access my Track TV account, you're going to click OK on that. A box is going to pop up. That box is going to contain a code that you have to go back online on your computer to tracks.tv/activate. Once you enter that in, the Pyro Media Center will automatically be synced, and now we'll need to sync one of the add-ons to work with it. So we'll go back and we'll go into add-ons and we'll go into video add-ons this time. And once we get there, we want to go to streaming all the sources. We want to go to salts. So we're going to go up to that. We're going to click OK. And we're going to want to click, what are we going to click? We're going to click Open. When we open it up, we're going to come to a screen that has movies, TV shows, and settings. And that's where we're going to configure the list that we made the first time we were on tracks. So we're going to go down to Settings. We click OK on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to Authorize Salts to access my tracked account. Once you click on that, you're going to be taken to another pop-up that's going to have a code where you'll need to go back to track.tv/activate, put that code in, and that's going to sync the add-on now to work. Once the add-on is working with it, you can go to your movies or TV shows, either one, but we'll start with movies. We click OK. And remember the list that we made when we were on the Tracks website. We're going to go and we're going to access that list and tell it to sync that list with our box. So we'll go down to My List, and when we click on that, it's going to show you the list that I had, which are Carlos's movies, Carlos's TV shows. Once we get there, we're going to highlight our movies, whichever name you use for it. We're going to click on the menu button, and we're going to set as subscription list. Once that's done, we're going to go back and we're going to do the same thing with TV shows. Go to TV shows, click OK. We're going to go down to our TV show list, and I love this because you have a calendar section. I mean, a watch history, your favorites. I mean, it's incredible. You're going to click on My List, OK. And then you're going to look for your list, which in my case, Carlos TV shows. Click on the menu button, set as subscription list, and that's going to pull everything in. Once you have all that pulled in, your start screen on your Pyro Media Center will automatically have movies and TV shows, and that will bring in all your track stuff. And that's how you have the Media Center linked with your tracked account, so you never have to worry about losing information on programs that you're trying to stay up to date on when you update your box. I'll see you in the next video.